Well, San Francisco certainly has a very visible mental health crisis on its streets, but a debate rages over how to force the most severely ill to get help. KPIX 5's Wilson Walker explains.
Well, after so much discussion, so much debate, San Francisco will now have more authority to force people into mental health treatment, a move that could affect all of 5 people.
It is frustrating that it takes this long to get something this small and this incremental done.
It took an armada of amendments and compromises, but San Francisco now has an agreement on a new conservatorship plan. It will allow the city to order mental health treatment for those who have been put in an emergency psychiatric hold more than 8 times in a year, a guideline that would apply to just one handful of San Franciscans.
But I think whatever population we're dealing with, whether it is 1 or 5 or 40, there are clearly people on our streets who need help, who are not getting it, who are not going to seek it themselves, and we need the tools to reach out and get them the care they need.
To be clear, this is not the California conservatorship bill from State Senator Scott Wiener. That would have applied to about 50 people in San Francisco, and it faced strong opposition from some supervisors and many of the city's homeless advocates.
Pretty disheartening when we're talking about a really serious issue about taking away people's civil liberties. We want to do something that actually works, that's not just a fake political move.
One concern was that the city simply does not have enough psychiatric beds for an aggressive program of forced treatment, so this is a finely sliced compromise aimed at avoiding a potential ballot fight over this. It is an issue that is not going away.
The good thing is that everyone in City Hall and our delegation to Sacramento is pretty aligned in recognizing that we have a huge challenge with mental illness and substance use on our streets, and we need to take dramatic action to address it.
So the state conservatorship bill is still out there. It is supported by Mayor London Breed, and then there's another plan for universal mental health care in San Francisco. So the mental health part of San Francisco's homelessness discussion really just getting started. In San Francisco, Wilson Walker, KPIX 5.